welcome back again. So it's been a while. It's been a really, really long time.
Yes, yo, she didn't really ask her. She didn't really gonna do it.
Anyways, today we'll be going to Odessa.
Yes!
We'll be going to Odessa and we're going to be out of Vinita for 4 days. So we're about to leave now. Our taxi's downstairs. So I'll probably see you guys at the train station. Yep. Battery's about to die. After missing my train in the morning. Finally in Odessa. Anyways, I'll give you guys a story of what happened tomorrow. If I'm able to complete this vlog for any reason. Oh, I'm so tired. This is, I think, 1:17. I couldn't complete the vlog yesterday because I was really tired and I got home. I just went straight to bed. I was so stressed. But yeah, this morning we're going to the beach and then we're going to get groceries. See this, whatever. Anyways, let me show you guys the apartment. It actually is really nice. First of all, this is actually the toilet. This is what it looks like, and it's really cute. It's really cute. And then this is actually the entrance door. This is one room and this is the other room. This is really scattered, so I can't show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, this is the bathroom. It's really cute, right? Yeah, it's really cute. So that's all I actually wanted to show. Okay, we're leaving the house now. I will see you guys when we come back. Well, this vlog is going to be a combination of nonsense, so I hope that you watch it. Look, I'm not an interesting person. I'm as boring as anything, so you would have to manage whatever it is I put out there. I mean, I'm just making it for fun, nothing serious though. So I'll see you guys when I get back. All right. feel so tired. Who's she? Glue. Okay. Anyways, backstory what happened yesterday. We had our train at 2. No, in the morning, right? Chidima. It's by 9:03 in the morning. The train we missed yesterday. Our train was by 9:03 in the morning. We're all dressed. I woke up at like 5. I was ready. We decided to leave the house by like 8:30. That was how we entered. No, we left the house and we're about to enter the elevator. That's actually the man said, "Where's my phone?" And the house key. Ha. We were looking for phone. We're there till 8:40, 8:42 thereabout. We found the phone inside the wardrobe. We got ready. We entered the cab on our way. When we entered the cab, we told the guy, "Please, hurry up, because we need to meet up a train at 9:03." And then the man said yes. For those of you in the inside, you know when you come, I don't even know how to explain it. But there's a road that leads directly to the bridge. Our guy did not go there. He went back and passed Orujai, Izumroid, and then started moving from the school area again towards Soborna. God, it wasn't even funny yesterday. Anyway, we got to the Vauxhall at exactly 9:03 and the train had already left. So then we decided to book another ticket. I booked another train ticket at 6:56 thereabout. The fear of missing your train made Chidima make us leave the house by, I think we left the house by like 5 o'clock, 5:15, 5:30 thereabout. Anyway, we made it to this place at 11:59, almost 12 o'clock yesterday. I was so freaking tired. But yeah, that's what happened yesterday. And then we finally got to the beach today. I couldn't vlog everything because the sun was hot. I was tired. And I just wanted to come back home. Like my legs are literally hurting. But anyways, I would try to make videos, while we leave the house. That if I'm able to leave tomorrow because I'm really tired. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time.